मेमोंडे कोड़े कोड़ा नान मेरे कोड़ा नारंग कोड़ा मम्मा
So on behalf of NIT Andhra Pradesh community, we would like to thank Dr. Lakshmi Narayan, Vizag section for supporting all, for making this program as a very grand success.
Sir, patron sir, sir. Sir, Sandeep sir. Okay.
Thank you very much. Let us come to final element of this quality function, vote of thanks. Okay. So I am privileged to propose the vote of thanks for the summer school 5-day organizing by NIT Andhra Pradesh and then IEEE Vizag section jointly and hosted at NIT Andhra Pradesh campus, Tadepalligura. And as mentioned by many people and participants, actually it's a very hard work involved behind this to organizing this 5-day workshop, and many our volunteers involved in making this event as a very grand success. So I would like to thank them all. First foremost, actually I would like to thank our chief patron from NIT Andhra Pradesh, that is Professor Pramod Padali, in charge director, and registrar in charge, Dr. Dinesh Shankar Reddy, for making this event as a grand success, and then we are supporting all kinds of administrative financial approvals for this conducting this event. I would like to thank them very much. Also at the same time, they are the chief patron from IEEE Vizag section, so Dr. Lakshmi Narayana, so chair IEEE Vizag section. So to initiate this process and make into a reality of this event also. So I would like to thank him from my bottom of heart, from also from the community of NIT Andhra Pradesh. Thank you very much, sir, for your kind support. And I would like to thank the secretary, Mr. Sisti, IEEE Vizag section, for his all kinds of support, and he has done preliminary arrangements from Vizag itself and all the communications, everything. And also I would like to thank him on this occasion. Thank you very much, sir. And also I would like to thank EXCOM members of IEEE Vizag section, so who helped us and then mentored us and given a lot of suggestions to us to conduct this event this kind of manner. So thank them all. Thank you. And I would like to extend my thanks also speakers of all the sessions, okay, as is already mentioned previously, and everyone has delivered well, and it's already reached the expectation of the participation. So I would like to thank in this regard. Thank you very much all the speakers. Also I would like to thank the technical support of NIT Andhra Pradesh, who has contributed well, and then they have made the students hands-on experience with many technologies like Arduino, Raspberry Pi, drones, 3D printing and all, etc. And I would like to thank on this occasion. And most importantly, volunteers. Actually, I listed them how many volunteers contributed. Nearly from NIT Andhra Pradesh, 34 volunteers, like 2 faculty members, and then 11 research scholars, and 15 technical staff. Okay, and then 6 BTech students. They have contributed well, and they extended their service, and they come forward for volunteership for making this event as a very grand success today. So I thank all the volunteers from NIT Andhra Pradesh, so who has made this success, event as a very grand success. Thank you very much all of you. And also faculty members from various colleges. Okay, I would like to thank them because they only publicized our event, also motivated their students, and inspired them to register this event also. I would like to thank all the colleges and who has inspired you to make this participation from your end. So thank you all the faculty members. And also I would like to thank the administration of NIT Andhra Pradesh and staff and faculty members, and particularly host office and then security office, who has extended their support and services to us actually. And they have given the necessary permissions for all the participants to make their comfortable stay at NIT Andhra Pradesh campus. Thank them all. Also, I would like to thank importantly also today's our guests of the valedictory function, Dr. J. Sri Lakshmi Garu, Chair Women in Engineering Hyderabad section, and Dr. P. Shivkumar, Chair Computer Society Vizag West section, for accepting our invitation to grace this valedictory function. Thank you, madam. Thank you, sir. And also, I would like to make very special thanks also who involved directly or indirectly to make this event as grand success. So I thank them, and I hope I covered who has contributed to this event. I didn't forget, but if I forget, please excuse me. So I also make my apology for that. Okay. So thank you. And also at the same time, behind this, as I mentioned by sir, so this was, I started, this arrangements, all these things done much before this, I mean nearly 10 days fairly I started this work. And thing is, I drafted this schedules and then sharing, discussions, finalization, registration, everything. And then, we have built a strong, a team. That's what somebody has said also. We have a very strong army. So in the form of, technical staff and non-teaching, and then research scholars and other, BTech, MTech and all. And that's how we plan and then execute every program very successful at NIT Andhra Pradesh, and particularly at the Department of Electrical Engineering. So I would like to thank all my, supporters, and then my army, to make me, success in this conducting this kind of events every time. So thank you very much. Thank you very much. Also, I would like to thank personally to my family members, particularly my wife. And I also, she is also very much interested, and she was also a witness to many programs which I conducted earlier in past years actually, especially because she also has a family time, because to do this kind of functions, we just cannot, spend time only office hours 9 to 5. So we need to work beyond the office hours, after the 5, after the 6 also. Even for this program, I spend late nights also. And my wife and my family, but especially and then my son, who is a 1 year plus old boy, Kesari Nandan. And they supported well, and then they always inspires and then encourages to do this kind of activities anytime. And also thanks to everyone, every participant, each and one. And I like to interact with all the participants, and then keep in touch with us. As I mentioned, you try to explore the internship opportunities with NIT faculty. That's all. And that's how maybe we can give you some kind of project work, and then mold you in a particular domain, so that you can reach your career options at the earliest also. So that's how. And we'll make it now group photo now. So we'll take it as a memory, and then we'll post it in the suitable groups also. So I request all the members. And also maybe if anyone wanted to thank you or anybody, please come forward, and then since it is YouTube live, so you can come here, and then thanks to anyone. Anyone? You want to thank anyone? So come here and thank. So you can give. From organizers, we already thank all the supporters. So participants, if anybody wanted to thank anyone, okay. So your family members, anybody, please come here and then thanks to. Okay. Whoever makes a special thanks, they can come here. We'll record the video.
సో ఈ సెషన్కి వచ్చి నేనైతే ఎంజాయ్ చేయడానికి వచ్చాను, బట్ క్లాసెస్ వినేసి అక్కడ ఏముంటే అది నేర్చుకొని వెళ్ళిపోదాం, మిగతా టైం అంతా ఎంజాయ్ చేసి వెళ్ళిపోదాం అనుకున్నా. బట్ థర్డ్ సెషన్ 3D మోడలింగ్ చెప్పినప్పుడు నాకైతే చాలా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ వచ్చింది, ఎందుకంటే నాకు కోడింగ్ నచ్చదు. 3D మోడలింగ్ రామప్రసాద్ సార్ చెప్పినప్పుడు నాకు చాలా బాగా అనిపించింది. అండ్ మిగతా సెషన్స్ అన్నీ ఎక్కడ వినేసి నేను నేర్చుకొని వెళ్ళిపోయాను. బట్ ఆ సార్ చెప్పింది మాత్రం 2 nights కూర్చొని మా కాలేజ్ అడ్మిన్ బ్లాక్ మోడల్ తయారు చేసి సార్ రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తే ప్రింట్ కూడా ఇచ్చారు. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ రామప్రసాద్ సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
We will add it to the live this video recording and all.
Hello again, as you know me, I'm Suresh once again. And now I would like to thank the most important person in my life who encouraged me to come here, who pushed me. And I would like to thank my mother who encouraged me to come here to learn something to make my future better and so on. మా అమ్మగారికి నేను ధన్యవాదాలు తెలుపుకుంటున్నాను. ఆవిడ లేకపోతే నేను ఇక్కడికి రాలేను. థ్యాంక్ యూ.